Was there a time when you warned everybody no one listened and something bad happened? There was a barista at my local Starbucks, always bright and friendly. One afternoon, she mentioned her boyfriend had just bought a new motorcycle. What kind? I asked. A sport bike, she said. That set off alarm bells. How old is he? 19. How long has he been riding? He's a beginner. I've been riding for over 40 years, and I knew where this was heading. Sport bikes are no joke, dangerously fast, and new riders overestimate their abilities. I told her, please don't get on that bike with him. She looked surprised, so I explained. A high-powered sport bike in the hands of an inexperienced rider is a disaster waiting to happen. They accelerate too fast, respond too sharply, and don't leave room for error. I told her to encourage him to take a safety course, but until he had more experience, she should stay off that bike. She listened. 2 weeks later, I saw her again. Her usual energy was gone. I asked how she was doing. She hesitated. He went riding with his friends last weekend. I already knew what was coming. She swallowed hard. I told him I wouldn't go. He went anyway. Her hands tightened around the counter. Her voice was barely above a whisper. He lost control. A pause. He didn't make it. She exhaled shakily and looked away. If I had gone with him... She didn't finish the sentence. She didn't have to.